it's your boy Joe Ratchet here. It is my birthday! It's my birthday! Ah! I am 25 years old, y'all. What is good? I have my balloons in my car right here. I am on my way to get my friend Eric. It is also his birthday, and we are celebrating for the first time. I am 25 and he is 27. Alright guys, update. I'm here with Eric, and we are on our way to SF from Hayward Station. Just bought our BART tickets. Having a birthday lunch, late lunch at Charmaine's. Yes, so. And then Urban Fun, never been. Yep. After that, we are gonna go mini golfing. Is this it? Our park. We are here at Charmaine.
Very classy.
Ooh.
Look at that.
We are gonna order our cocktails and get some snacks.
To another year. She a little delicious.
This is good.
She's a little delicious or whatever.
Yeah, delicious or whatever. So midway through our dinner, Eric is taking a nap. Look at him. Look at him napping. Enjoying himself. Cheers. So we finished our little rooftop experience here at Charmaine's. We're about to head out soon. Happy birthday to me and Eric. So tell them what we're doing, Eric.
Well, we got here to Urban Fun. This place looks pretty cool. I've never been here before. But as soon as we arrived, I started feeling sick.
I'm feeling sick. I don't feel sick.
Happy birthday to us, the Capricorns. But don't worry, we'll be back. We'll try this place out. We'll show you in the next vlog.
Oh, Portuguese.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Happy 18th birthday.
Yeah, I'm in my prime. You locked your phone.
That leather case?
So stupid.
That looks so enticing.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Thing is a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.